Persistent heavy rainfall on Saturday night and subsequent flooding forced 96 individuals across 26 families to evacuate their homes and seek shelter in a local school. According to reports, personnel from the Mandai police station rescued and escorted them to the facility. The displaced individuals have thus far been provided only with puff rice and bottled water for sustenance. Meanwhile, no MLA has visited the area to assess the situation or arrange for proper food provisions.
Sorunati na. Ano ba sa family ro fake na ro? Service family. Service family na. Service family.
Service family hingga ko borok kai 96 kan kamu. 96 jona.
96
Sarai bai, okra bai. Tahu kono mana Honi tinta ni simpan masa tak apa nak
Do samung rekhe dia tui budar phaya.
Tui pondok kori ko.
Tui bor kari ko.
Angka muri kisah phaya, bunga muri kisah phaya, angka tui caiter phaya.
Emne koi packet dok phaya muri kanya.
Muri 4 packet. Angka biskut. Biskut 4 packet, muri 5 packet.
Abo boy tong na man ro.
Tong mai sumbah ke tong mana ba tui ke cangko tui ke 500 gram 4 Angka dulu tak, eta.
Tapsus darti samung kuno subai ko.
Na. Kono response dia ko borok.
Secretary phaikia angkai sini parani member phaikia. Member phaikia jong muri be titlang na. Ga secretary sawo bini injaf na bopun khaimane phone tisaya. Ga bo phamni je kono rang sabanya ne kana bo injaf ni permission nang. Parga injaf se phone tisaya ga bo phaikia permission mane ne. Ate ni sai kana rota sun.
Abo khoni sata na. Incas ni mutamo. Saidaman. Bo poncher. Boshaki. Teplok khangna. Abo khoni cycle lang nang. Nge boro je incas funti se ke no khai sai awi da thina ro.
Apa nota sini.
Pure report, Chini Khora.